the clown dimension. Welcome home, the stage is set. A tragedy played with no regrets. The composition's been written, cast in stone, but no one dares to read their own. The masks all grin, the cracks don't heal. Painted laughter hides what's real. Every joke is someone's pain, but here we play the game the same. Rewrite the past, rehearse the lies. Tears don't fall when smiles rise. Turn away, but don't look twice. The fool who sees must pay the price. Like a symphony falling apart. Welcome to the clown dimension, where sorrow lives in bright illusion. Paint the cracks, hide the lines, laugh until you lose your mind. Hail the room where tragedy rules, where arrangement holds and fools play fools. Every path, every door leads you back to where you were before. The carousel spins round and round. The music swells but makes no sound. A tragic play no one recalls. Hide the truth beneath applause. The Ferris wheel once touched the sky. It used to turn, it used to rise, but now it stands rusted still, a monument to a frozen will. Rewrite the past, rehearse the lies. Tears don't fall when smiles rise. Turn away, but don't look twice. The fool who sees must pay the price. Like a symphony falling apart. Welcome to the clown dimension, where sorrow lives in bright illusion. Paint the cracks, hide the lines, laugh until you lose your mind. Hail the room where tragedy rules, where arrangement holds and fools play fools. Every path, every door leads you back to where you were before. The painted smiles, the hollow eyes, a tragedy